As tensions between India and Pakistan escalate following the April 22nd terrorist attack in Kashmir that killed 26 civilians, the global spotlight turns not only to the risk of conflict but also to the financial implications, particularly for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. This analysis today explores how looming specter of war between these two nuclear-armed neighbors uh, could impact Bitcoin, the broader crypto market, and the strategic use of digital currencies in this geopolitical crisis, addressing both investors and observers of global finance. The India Pakistan conflict, rooted in the disputed Kashmir region of 1947 partition, has flared anew. India accused Pakistan of supporting cross border terrorism, a charge Pakistan denies. The attack on Pahalgam prompted India to suspend the Inter Swat Treaty, close borders, and reduce diplomatic ties. While Pakistan labeled the water suspension as an act of war and closed its airspace to Indian carriers, both nations are on high alert, with intermittent border clashes and rhetoric suggesting a potential Indian military strike. This volatile situation, coupled with nuclear capabilities of both countries, raises fears of escalation, potentially destabilizing South Asia and global markets. Bitcoin, often used as a safe haven asset like gold, has a complex relationship with geopolitical crisis. Historically, it has shown resilience during global unrest, but its behavior is not always predictable. Posts on X reflect mixed statement. Some users speculate that Bitcoin could fall to $70,000 as investors seek safety, while others predict flash crash, mirroring the Bitcoin's 23% drop after the Ukraine's war onset in 2022. Data as of 2025 shows Bitcoin trading steadily between 93,000 and 104,000 despite the Kashmir attack, suggesting short-term stability but vulnerability is to sudden shocks. A nuclear exchange, though unlikely, could trigger a market panic, crashing Bitcoin alongside equities as investors flee to traditional safe havens like the US dollar or gold. Beyond market dynamics, cryptocurrencies are emerging as strategic tools in this conflict. Indian agencies, including the Enforcement Directorate and Reserve Bank of India, have flagged Bitcoin, Tron, and USD for their use in terror financing, cybercrime, and money laundering. Criminals exploit crypto's anonymity using VPNs and fake accounts to fund illicit activities, prompting heightened security from India's Financial Intelligence Unit. This aligns with India's broader strategy to curb Pakistan's financial lifelines. Crypto expert Balaji Srinivasan advocates for India to leverage cryptocurrency to economically isolate Pakistan, drawing parallels to the US post 9/11 mistakes. He suggests India strengthen its crypto infrastructure to reduce reliance on traditional banking system, which are vulnerable to international pressures, and diplomatically pressure Western nations to cut Pakistan's financial aid. By dominating decentralized finance, India could weaken Pakistan's economy without military escalation, fostering regional stability over time. Pakistan, meanwhile, is embracing crypto to counter economic challenges. Facing surplus electricity and high tariffs, Pakistan plans to allocate power to Bitcoin mining and AI data centers as announced by the Pakistan Crypto Council. With 15 to 20 million crypto users and a growing fintech sector, Pakistan aims to become a hub for blockchain innovation. Supported by figures like Binance founder CZ. This move could bolster Pakistan economy, providing resilience against India's economic maneuvers, but it also risks further scrutiny if crypto is linked to illicit activities. For investors, the India-Pakistan tension present both risks and opportunities. A limited conflict might drive Bitcoin adoption in South Asia as citizens seek financial autonomy and amid currency volatility. The Indian rupee and Pakistani rupee are already under pressure. Stablecoins like USDT could see increased use for cross-border transaction if traditional banking falters. However, a broader war could disrupt internet infrastructure, hampering crypto transactions and triggering global deleveraging, impacting Bitcoin's price. Long term, India's push for crypto regulation and Pakistan's mining ambitions could position South Asia as a crypto hub, provided conflict is averted. Crypto enthusiasts, geopolitical analysts, and global citizens consider the dual nature of Bitcoin in this crisis, a speculative asset and a strategic weapon.